Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about different types of firewall. Our requirements are different, cyber criminals are different, they are performing different types of attack. So, just the traditional firewall which blocks certain network, certain IP addresses on certain ports is not sufficient. So, our requirements is different. So, fulfill the requirement of the companies or the individual, there are different type of firewalls, and in today's session I will discuss about different type of firewalls. So let's start today's session. As you can see in this picture, there are multiple kind of networks. Here is the network of the company, maybe you can say headquarters, okay, and you can see the firewall at the boundary of the network, perimeter of the network, and here is, for example, data center and administrator is accessing and different user on site is working, and that's for the managing the identity of the user is ISC, clear. And here are the cloud services user that a company is using, okay, and here Cisco umbrella and different users which are roaming and accessing the network, okay. And here is the branch office where is another firewall is working to combat against the advanced malware, okay. And different Cisco Meraki devices, SDN, WAN, number of different technologies are working to fulfill the requirement of a company, okay. As you can see in this picture, there are different networks, different type of network, okay, and requirement is different now. Just advancement in the cyber criminals attack, those traditional firewall, okay, which was just blocking the IP addresses or certain network, okay, certain port number is not sufficient. Hackers are using the legitimate port number, legitimate services inside the network, which is very hard to identify. This is a malicious traffic or malicious user is interacting in our network. Okay. More than 200 days taken by the companies which are not using advanced methods for detecting the malware to detect a particular attack happen in their organization. More than 200 days is too much, and within those during days, hackers can perform attacks on number of areas, okay, and that attacks can exfiltrate lot of information from the organization, clear. So just our firewalls need to be at higher level, at the next level, should provide the functionality of different things. Nowadays we need not to purchase IPS separately, firewalls separately, threat intelligence services separately, or the other things we need not to purchase separately. So the advanced firewalls providing lot many features which collectively can provide a more secure environment for our organization and can fight against the advanced malwares or advanced persistent threats, clear. So what these firewalls are: stateful packet inspection, also providing if we want to block certain networks, if you have the list of the network blacklisted IP addresses or the certain networks, then definitely we can block it. More deeply they could go when the three-way handshake happens, when the connections start, and what is the port number they are accessing on we are allowing, or certain services we are allowing, that also identify on the stateful inspection. And the UTM wonderful functionality, it's including lot many things that's highly feature of the firewall, we can say, which is totally dedicated for performing the task of a content level filtering. Okay. This just here just we can say, when we saying a stateful inspection, or the at port number port number we are inspecting, that means we are there is certain things I just want to share here. Here the header, okay, whether that's on the data link layer, network layer, or on the transport layer here, and here is a data. This is filtering by the firewalls, okay, or the traditional firewall can do all these things. But malicious link, which is the attacker is just sending the malicious information on inside the data, okay. So that data, how just we come to know whether that's malicious or the legitimate traffic is just inside it? We are receiving so many emails, and which is having the very normal files. It can be PDF, Word document, but that doesn't matter. It's just having the legitimate files or legitimate data. Just how we come to know? Definitely we must have the understanding about this data, and these are the unified threat management, or the next generation, or the threat focused firewalls can perform, okay. And virtual firewall is a wonderful functionality. Definitely we can use it on VMware, and can or on virtualized network or virtualized machine we can use, and can filter all the traffic as per our requirement. Nowadays the whatsoever next generations we can say firewall we are using, they are not only filtering the traffic based on the rules what have been set on it. Continuously they are also getting the feed from the threat intelligence also, okay. Threat intelligence also sending the feeds, yes, this type of attacks nowadays happening in our network. So continuously they will also getting those information, clear. And you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session, and also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what are the different type of firewalls are there nowadays, different advanced features emerged in the firewall features, and how they are combating with the advanced malwares, okay. And in the next session I will discuss about important areas of cybersecurity. Namaste, see you in the next session.